everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to print your tasks in Todoist. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all the tasks that you have for today. So as you can see today, I can see all the scheduled tasks that I have, and let's say that you have some tasks right here like me. I have my not important task, I have a YouTube tutorial where I have to create a video and so on. So let's say that I want to print this page. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and find the page that you want to print and which tasks you want to print. So if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see multiple options that you can use for viewing your tasks, such as your inbox. You can see your upcoming tasks, you can see your filters and labels and then find the specific tasks, or you can use whole project pages like this. I have my education projects where all my education tasks are. So if you can also print your other projects and so on. I'm going to go ahead and back to the main page and I'm going to print this task right here which are scheduled for today. So all you have to do guys is very easy and you only need a couple of clicks. Is you have to go right here into the upper right corner where your profile picture is, or your profile icon. So guys, here you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And now this will open up this new drop-down menu where you will have multiple options for editing your Todoist, such as your settings option, your theme option, and so on. What you want to do guys, go ahead and find this option right here called print, and go ahead and click that option right there. Clicking on print guys, now this will open up a new tab in your browser which will enable you to print everything that was on your page. So first you want to set up your page to look how you like it, and you want to set up your tasks to be what you want, and then after that it will open up this page where you will be able to select your destination, your pages, and so on, and then you can go ahead and click on save, and then you can go ahead and start printing for your tasks. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.